My name is Igor, explorer, adventurer, and a guy who ends up in some interesting places. With a degree in journalism and filmmaking, I travel to the ends of the earth investigating the greatest places in the world. This is Igor Travels the World. Alright guys, welcome to day 4. It's about 9 a.m. We're going to get going. I just wanted to say goodbye and thank you to this wonderful Gur camp. This has been honestly one of my favorite places to stay because I feel like it's total seclusion. You just have the mountains over there. We have, I don't know, 6 Gurs, and we were the only ones here. So rock on, thank you very much. Let's go. So today has actually been a pretty difficult day for our UAZ, the vehicle. It's actually overheated a couple times, so we just stop it, take about a 10-15 minute break, let the engine cool down, and then continue our journey. So the heat today has been absolutely incredibly difficult to deal with. It knocked me on my butt for about 2 hours. I had to take just a nap. I just passed out. Kyle's in there sleeping still, and it's just you can't even walk around in a shirt even though you have to because you get sunburned.
You don't want to.
Okay, all good.
There you go. There you go.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Good.
So we are on our hour-long camel ride to the sand dunes, but we're all really quiet. They warned us not to be loud or yell because it might freak out the camels. So it's actually a very silent ride, which is kind of nice. Oh, okay, that was a little scary. Alright, so the camel ride is over. Thanks to my good camel here, he's a nice guy. And my bum is sore, so I'm actually happy we're off. Let's go climb up.
Thank you.
Thank you, lady. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
For me.